Hi, welcome back to the Coding Genius, and in this video I will show you how we can create routes. Okay, so this is our previous code. Now we will create a folder, like give it a name routes, and here there will be a file for auth routes.js. Okay, so here we will import router from we will import express from express. Okay, and then initialize router and express dot router. Okay, and now we will export this router. Okay, so in this we will use express to create our routes. Okay, and in our index.js here you will use like app.use instead of this app.get. okay, and we will add an API endpoint like API, and now we are basically working on auth, so that's what will be auth. And now here we will pass routes. For that we will get auth routes from, and here we will use routes slash auth routes.js. okay, and we will pass these auth routes to app.use. okay, so this is the code, and if we go to this auth routes, here we will create like router dot get, and now this is sign up and regress. This will be an error function, response dot send, and it will be like sign up API calls. okay, now we will create some other stuff like sign up, login, log out. This is login and this is for logout. okay, so basically when we will run our server, then it will run on port 3000, and then we will use like slash API slash auth, and in our routes here you can see there are three different routes. One is for sign up, one is for login, and one is for log out, and we will use them by using their endpoints. okay, and let me show you how we can use them. Here we will run node index.js. okay, it's giving an error here. yeah, here will be like this one, router. Now save this, clear it, and now node index.js. okay, MongoDB is connected, server is running on port 3000. Now we will come to here and localhost 3000. okay, slash API slash auth slash login. oh, actually it's here, you can see this is not our local host. okay, login API calls. okay, if we come to this again, and we will call like log out API calls, okay. And if we give it our sign up, then sign up calls. If we don't give any endpoint, then it will, okay. So we cannot get API auth because we didn't declare any endpoint for just slash, okay. So this is the code for this routing, and now we will just move these routes to controllers. Let me get another folder for controllers, and here we will use like auth controllers.js, okay. Now I think, yeah, for this code just come to this, and here we will use like export const and sign up, okay. And here we will like import sign up from auth controllers, and here we will pass it like sign up. And for login we will just also cut this out from here, and we will use export const login is equal to this one, and here we can also use sign up and login, okay. And for logout just cut this part and come to this logout, okay. So logout, and if we come to this, and here we will pass, okay. So actually this is the you can call it like folder structure for our project, okay. So basically all the classes has their own purpose. Like for routes we have declared some routes, okay. And for controller, these are for auth controller. If we have different routes, let's suppose for if we are working on shopping app, okay, so you will create those routes here for shopping, for like cart, for item, okay. And they have their own controllers, okay, like this, okay. So in that controllers you will define those methods, use those methods here, like we have used this sign up, login and logout. Actually this makes our code more cleaner and easy to use, and any other developer can also work on your code easily, okay. So this is, if we run this code, then we will also get the same thing, it will work, okay. I think it's giving an error on error auth controllers. Let me go to this one, yeah, auth controllers.js. so it is important to call this one, okay. So here you can see our server is running. If we come to this again and pass login, okay, our login API calls, it's working, okay. So this is the code for this video, and I will see you in next video.